Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy CACS CMA. Yes guys, there is a very important circular from our own Institute of Cost Accountants of India. It is not only one circular, it is nearly three circulars which has been issued today. I'm doing this video importantly at the midnight to have an ensure clarity towards the course. This is regarding those exemption clarification which has been previously allowed to intermediate students, those who are converting from old syllabus to new syllabus. That is from syllabus 2016 to syllabus 2022. Regarding those exemption clarification previously given, there is some misconceptions regarding those previous exemption clarification. So they announced a circular regarding this. That's it, along with the notification which was issued on 16/8/2022 to be clarified that if you are doing an intermediate course, that you are speaking about the corresponding exemption. Let's say you are under 2016 syllabus. Now, everyone is going to appear under syllabus 2022. Suppose if you already passed group 1, then under syllabus 2022, you will get an exemption for group 1. If in the same case, you have already cleared group 2, then exemption for group 2 completely under new syllabus. It means in group 1, under old syllabus, paper 5, 6, 7, 8, that is financial accounting, law, DT, and costing, you are cleared. In syllabus 2022, paper 5, law, 6, financial accounting, paper 7, DT and IDT, then paper 8 is costing. This completely you will get exempted. It means no IDT exam is for you. IDT you will not study, you will study it in your final again. Okay, group 1 you cleared, group 1 is exemption granted. Group 2 clear, group 2 exemption is granted. Then come to paper wise exemption and case based scenario. Let's say I have in group 1 I have exemption in paper 5. Then under new syllabus, you will get an exemption under paper 6. If you have scored already exemption under paper 6 and you are not able to clear your group, you will get an exemption under the new syllabus in paper 5. You know, exemption is available for the next 3 attempts from which the appear you are appearing. Let's say you have got an exemption December 23 under old syllabus, that is syllabus 16. Then June 24, December 24 till June 2025, you need not to appear in this paper. Then, most importantly, this one is your most important. I will come back at last. Paper 8 exemption group 1, new syllabus, paper 8 exemption granted. Paper 9 OMSM granted. Paper 10, under group 2, if you scored cost and management CFM, if you scored exemption, you will only get exemption in management accounting FMDA, that is financial management and data analytics. You need to write the exam. Is it is in from hereafter it is only paper wise. Okay, you need to write your exams for FMDA. There is only exemption for cost and management, that is management accounting only. You will get an exemption. For financial management, paper number 11 under old syllabus, you need to appear, even though you will get an exemption under paper 10. And paper 12, that is company accounts and audit, you will get a corresponding paper 10 corporate accounting and auditing. Okay, now come to our hero of this circular. Suppose what they are saying, in syllabus 2016, you are not clear group 1, you are not clear group 2. But first case is what? You have not cleared group 1. You are not clear group 2. Then, but you are having above 60 marks in both papers. Then you will get an exemption for paper 7 under new syllabus. This is your case thing. In both scenario, you never pass the group. Okay, but you got an exemption above 60. Let's say DT 65, IDT 62. You are having. Then you will get an exemption for direct tax and indirect tax in new syllabus. Next, under case 1, suppose Students who already got exemption in paper 7 and paper 11 under syllabus 2016 will get an exemption under paper 7 DTIDT under new syllabus. That's what your case 1. Now come to case 2. Most important case is students who have already got exemption in paper 7, that is DT, they have already scored paper 7, they have scored more than 60. Let's assume. Passed group 2. Group 2 I already passed. Irrespective what I scored in IDT. Listen, in this case, if you not pass the group, then minimum 60 criteria will applicable for both papers. But if you passed group 2 already, plus paper 7, you are having greater than or equal to 60 marks, then P7 is exempted. Paper 7 is exempted. Then you need not to appear in this paper again. This group 2 IDT paper, even if you score 40 plus marks or minimum 40 marks or minimum 50 marks, it doesn't matter. If you cleared already group 2, passed group 2 already, then I have given in anything other than this case, you need to appear, not corresponding exemption is given. That's what is the remaining case. I just analyze it. Suppose you have exemption in IDT under old syllabus, but not clear group 2. Group 2 you have not cleared. Then no exemption for 2022. Paper 7, you need to appear again. Paper 7, you need to appear again. Okay. Suppose only group 2 cleared in old syllabus. Only you have cleared only group 2. Okay. You are not even appear for group 1. Let's think in this way. Till registration, from the date of registration till your last attempt, you are only writing group 2 or writing both groups and only cleared group 2. It means you have already cleared IDT paper. You have already cleared your IDT paper. Is it right? But at the time of conversion, you need to do what? You need to appear in DTIDT. Same combo under new syllabus. It means paper 7, you need to write it again. Even though you have cleared, irrespective of cleared, you need to write this paper again because there is only an exemption. If you clear group 2 is only exempted, right? If you clear group 2 is only exempted. So it means you need to appear in the group 1 again along with your IDT paper. Okay. So make sure you're focusing this. But if it is in case of you already cleared group 2 and then appearing already in group 1 and having an exemption, that is your case 2. In case 2, you can easily do it. Okay, this complete analysis is done. If you have any doubts over here, give a comment below. I will usually respond to each and every comment personally. So I will give the comment reply to you also. Then come back to this reciprocal exemption read along with already a clarification is notification is already given. Suppose if you are doing a CS course also, you will get an exemption in papers. You are already doing CS, then you come to CMA course, you will get an exemption in papers of paper 7 and paper 10 only. These two papers you will get. And you need to pay a prescribed fees of ₹1,000 per paper at least to apply 60 days prior to the start of the examination. Suppose any of the persons are doing CS along with CMA, they can use this. And the something is known as qualification based exemption. What is this qualification based exemption? You have already qualified LLB. There is only one exemption under new syllabus, that is paper 5 business law and ethics you need to do. Already you are qualified engineer. Previously for a qualified engineer, they have given exemption for law and OMSM. Now they have changed it. Only paper 9 OMSM is exempted. OMSM, you need to pay 3,000 as a prescribed fee per paper. It should be applied 60 days prior to the start of the examination. This is for the lifetime. Lifetime exemption is given. It will not be qualification basis, not for 3 3 terms. It is not for 3 terms. It is for a lifetime exemption will be given. Okay, lifetime exemption will be granted to this qualification based exemption and this reciprocal exemption. Okay. Then come to our final part. Final part is one. We have already done. If you clear group 3 will be exempt. If you clear group 4 will be exempt. There is no that much paper change. There is only 2 papers has been changed it. So it is not that much for final. It will not affect the final. Then paper 13 exempted, new syllabus 13 exempted. 14 you got exemption, under new syllabus 14 will be exempted. If you got paper 15 SCM, then paper 16 SCM will be your exemption. Paper 16 DT in old syllabus, new syllabus paper 15 will be exempted. Paper 17 CFR, in new syllabus it will be paper 18. That's paper only change. Paper 18 indirect tax law. Now here it is paper 19 indirect tax law. Paper 19 CMA. Here paper 17 is CMA. 20 strategic performance management and BV. Here you will only get an exemption, right? 20A, that is strategic performance management and business evaluation. And the same in case there is a reciprocal exemption for CS who are doing CMA, will get an exemption under 2 papers, paper number 13 and paper number 19, corporate economic laws and indirect tax laws. Then if it is in, and one more thing, and here you will study about the risk management in banking and insurance, you will get an exemption over there. Okay. Then prescribed fees of rupees 1000 per paper should be applied, at least 60 days is done. Okay. Here they have given some information. Previously, students received subject exemption based on their qualification. Corresponding or equivalent papers would automatically exempted under new syllabus already. So already exempted under new syllabus also it is exempted without any prior fees. It means syllabus 2016 I got exempted by paying the prescribed fees. Then it will be carried forward to syllabus 2022 also. However, other eligible papers where the students also qualify for exemption under syllabus 22, they must separately apply for subject exemption and pay the prescribed fees. That's it done. This is the first circular which I have discussed. Then second most important circular is regarding those mandatory requirement of completing SAP. If I want to tell skill training exempted already under December 23 attempt. But further in continuation with the GO pass, all intermediate pass out students of December 23 are to complete mandatory skill training to appear in your CMA final. Both groups are remaining. Both groups or remaining groups before appearing for both groups, or you will easily going to appear for group 3. Then if you're going to appear for group 4, then you should complete your mandatory skills, that is skill training, before your appearance. Furthermore, those who not cleared your December 23 inter students to complete mandatory skill training in order to eligible for June 24 examination onwards for both groups or the remaining groups. Here you will get a mail how to you need to attend your skill training program. It is a completely online based program. You should attend that program with full dedication, with full concentration. There is a important courses known as SAP FICO will be there. That is a future. SAP FICO will be a future. So you should learn with the par with the industry standards. If you want to do, you should do that course with the proper dedication and all. Okay. Then coming to a last clarification for CAT qualified students, come to CMA Inter. Okay. Previously, paper 5 is exempted for them. Now paper 5 is not exempted for them. There is a clarification for this. The validity of exemption for appearing June 2024 term. What is the clarification they have given? This exemption for paper 5 is only valid for the students registered up to 10th February 2024. Those who have already registered, they are only getting this exemption, but by subject exemption allowed up to 10/4/2020, 10/4/2024 till it is applicable. But the registered students, they will only seeing the registration date. for the registration date 10 to 2024. If it is up to 10 to 2024, you will get an exemption. Suppose now only I have already qualified CAT exam, sir. Now only I'm going to register for my CMA Inter. Currently, today or day after tomorrow only I'm going to register for my CMA Inter. Or after this date, I have registered. What can I do for my December 2024 exam? Even though I have CAT pass, student registered after 2024, 10 to 2024 are not eligible for exemption under paper 5. Paper 5 exemption is not available for you, my dear. Then on the basis of CAT qualification. Then student already granted exemption. What can I do, sir? I already got exempted through CAT qualification. That same CAT qualification will be continued. You will not need not to worry about. So this is I know this is somewhere lengthier video, but this three important circulars is mandatory. You need to aware of this and you need to do. Those who have not yet converted to new syllabus, those who are under syllabus 2016 and not converted to 2022, do it. We have already made a video, conversion procedure video. So do it. Watch out the video and follow the process, get yourself converted into the new syllabus. And one more important update, we have come up with the study plan video and the subject wise videos in the upcoming days. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a nice day, dears. Always stay with your preparation, stick to your schedules. All the best.